to major severity. The flooding continues for the Puyallup River near Orting until this evening. At 12:30 a.m. Friday, the flow was 14,456 CFS. Flood flow is 10,000 CFS. Moderate flooding is occurring and major flooding is forecast. The river will continue to rise and crest near 16,625 CFS around 4 a.m. Friday. The river will fall below flood flow late this morning. Impact at 16,000 CFS. The Puyallup River will cause major flooding from Orting downstream through McMillan to Sumner. Swift and deep flood waters will inundate roads, residential areas, and farms. Erosion will likely damage levees. Flooding will occur all along the river, including headwaters, tributaries, and other streams within and near the Puyallup River basin.
Nice. 1:17 a.m.